Hi, if you want to use circle to search feature on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open settings. Here go in the display tab. After that select the navigation bar and now you can see the circle to search. And as a first step, enable it by tapping on the switcher. And now to use it, you will need to touch and hold the home button or the navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. So let's check how this works. We need to touch and hold this home button and make a circle around anything we want to search for, or just tap like that. Let's tap the weather info, and here in the internet we will be able to see the similar information. Let's do it once more. Let's open any web page, for example this one, and here trigger this circle to search feature and make a circle around this information. We can also copy it and translate, and here check the similar websites about this info. Now let's press and hold it again, and we can use Google like that immediately, or we can also tap here on this icon and play, sing or hum a song, so it works something like a Shazam. And also here you can use this translator feature and type in something. Now you can do just the same in the TikTok, for example. Let's say you like this dog and you want to know which type of dog it is. You just need to trigger this circle to search, made a circle around this dog, and now in a couple of seconds you will be able to see that it is a French bulldog. And here you can see the similar photos, similar information about this type of dog. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.